Hey guys, how's it going? This here is my Royal Quiet Deluxe. It's one of the bright colored editions that they made from 55 to 57. This model here is 1956, and overall it's in really good condition. Really nice condition cosmetically, just a few scrapes, and then functionally there are couple hiccups. This guy over here broken, which means that you're rolling paper in the left knob. Not a huge issue, but there's that. And then I guess that's the only one. Oh, the magic margins, they don't zip. You know, you can still set them. You have to tilt this thing back, just like when you're gonna set the tabs. And then underneath those, you can see are the margins, and so really not difficult at all. If you're gonna set the tabs, you know, you're just pushing down and pressing here. Well, you just go underneath it and you can feel the little button, and you can move it to the left, to the right. So other than that, this thing is fully functional. Ribbon color selector, everything works perfect there. Nothing sticking over here. This cool little button pops it open. This thing is still supported by the springs in here. Sometimes these are just kind of loose and dangly because the springs will come, I don't know if unwound is the right term, but just broken or something, so that's nice. This one's still intact right there. It does come with the original metal spools. I have plastic ones in here right now, just because the ones that came with it, the ribbon was real dried out. So I'm gonna take this ribbon out. I'm not gonna include this. I'm gonna give you the original metal spools. And so you will need to get a new ribbon, but touch control over here still works. And you can see there. And yeah, tabs, all the tabs function fine. Bell, obviously, and backspace. You can see it working back there. And so I'm gonna give you a type sample and show you everything is aligned and working properly. And then when I'm done, I'll take it out of the machine and give you guys an up-close view so you can see how everything, you know, lines up red and black and uppercase, lowercase, etc. So again, you're rolling paper in with the left knob. Still rolls it in fine though. Oh, my mistake. Now I go to red, give you some caps. I'll give you the numbers and the letters. The symbols, excuse me. And then I'll give you a mixture of some black. And show you guys, this thing has a really cool font. It's standard 10 characters per inch, but it's not the standard pica. It's this different font, and it's pretty common on these special edition machines. A lot of them have this font, and I don't know what the name of it is, but it's different. Like the Q's, the uppercase Q's, how they have just like a straight little fleck down. You know, typically pica has like a little curl, and some of the other letters, I'm trying to think just off the top of my head. I think the Y's are also different. Maybe the Z's, and definitely the numbers. The numbers are different, but you can see this thing has a very clear imprint, and everything's aligned down here. You've got a mixture of uppercase, lowercase, black, red, numbers, etc. Everything's aligned. The cent sign over here looks to be maybe just a hair tilted to the right, but pretty cool. It has the @ symbol. Granted, I don't think they had email back in the 50s, but pretty cool to have the @ symbol. And so yeah, this thing is definitely ready to go. Like I said, tabs back here. It does have a fold-up paper support as well, and that just folds up and then folds back down. And over here you've got the single, double, triple spacing, and believe that's it. But yeah, overall this thing's in really good condition. It does have some scrapes along the bottom on this side, and then also on the back as well. It's got a few little dings, and then again on this side, both areas. Not sure what that is, but it does come with the case, which also not in the greatest condition, the case, but functional. Everything locks in, and closure is fine. And so yeah, if you guys have any questions about this Royal, let me know. It's a nice machine. Types nice, and pretty fast, and it was taken care of. You know, when you're sitting at it and you're working on it, looks really nice. So yeah, 1956 teal blue or baby blue Royal Quiet Deluxe. Have a good one.